Hello, welcome to the SQL Max Function tutorial by Godbrain Games. My name is Wale, and I'll be your programmer today. Let's begin. With the help of the max function, we'll get the largest number in the column. So let's get started. It's pretty simple syntax. You just have to select in all caps. You may need to put, depending on your compiler, you may need to put a asterisk before the max and a comma after amount. Excuse me, and or a comma after amount. That's just, if you have any problems running it, try that. But for this one, we don't. And the the amount is, we grab the amount from this, is a column name that's in question. And the second line under it is the name of the second line. That's universal. I haven't seen that any other way, so you should be good. It's just from in all caps, and then the table name that we're gonna grab the column from. So we're grabbing the amount from, and this orders. Yeah, and then you just follow up with a semicolon after the table name, and then run it. Yep, and that's how we got the max. Very simple but useful. I'll do one more example. Alright, let's find the biggest number in the largest number in the customer column from the shippings table. It should be 5, but that's not great. I guess all was clear. I'm pretty sure I know it off the top of my head, though I think I have it somewhere anyways. Yeah, just in case for times like these. Boom. So it was called, I think, customer. The column name was customer, and I think the table name was shippings. But if it's wrong, it'll tell you. It'll tell you. So I love about coding. All right. So boom, ran it, and there we go. Biggest number in the customer column is 5. No, I mean in the customer column, the shipping table is 5. And that's really it. All right. Let me see if I missed anything. Nope, that's it. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more SQL. Trying to get at least 52 52 YouTube videos out programming this year, and they might all be SQL. All right, have a good one.